Welcome to D-Lab, everybody. This is Terry, and I have a quick tech tip for you if you're going to be troubleshooting the audio in a Johnson Viking 2 transmitter. You can test that audio without having to key the transmitter. Alright, so here's a quick tech tip for you guys. If you're working on a Johnson transmitter and you're troubleshooting the audio, you do not have to actually key the transmitter up to measure the audio going to the grids of the 807 tubes. In this case, I've got both of the rectifier tubes removed. I do not have to apply high voltage to see the signal. You simply take the audio generator, hook that up to pin 1 of the microphone input. That's going to the 6AU6 tube. It goes through your audio gain pot to the second tube, which is coupled to the interstage transformer, and the output goes to the 100 ohm resistors that feed the 807 grids. So why don't you have to key your transmitter to see that modulation on the 807s? That's because this circuit is running on the 300 volt line. If you follow that down, voltage comes up through T3, and that goes to the plates of the 6AU6 tube. So the audio section is always active on these Johnson transmitters. So this gives you a really nice way to verify signal is getting to the 807s before you apply the high voltage. So if I simply bring up my volume, you will see the audio. Okay? You see it on the scope. If you want to check your other grid, just move your scope lead over there. And now you just verified that you have the phase inverter output signal available to the 807 tubes. So you saw the audio on the oscilloscope, but the true test is what does it sound like on the air. So the Viking 2 right now is hooked into a dummy load I'm monitoring on a National 300 receiver. Here we go.
Hello, test 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. This is a Johnson Viking 2 audio being monitored by a National 300 receiver.
Here's a test again with a little bit more RF attenuation of the AF up.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can tell if you get this thing on the air, you're going to be clear and just booming in to other receivers. Sounds great.